Would you like to see the 7+ best Amazon affiliate alternatives? Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuit. In this video, I'll show you exactly the 7+ best Amazon affiliate alternatives. As you've probably heard, Amazon has lowered their commission rates for just about every single category. It's brought down commissions that were very high down to the lowest, which is like 1% now. And I was somebody who was impacted by this because I have a blog out there in the health and wellness space. And I was utilizing Amazon, but only as one of the many affiliate networks. And if you want to learn more about that, I have videos or I have content on that, blog posts especially, that talks about Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliate Marketing. I'll leave them down below in the description so you can go ahead and check those out with the updates. So yeah, Amazon has decided to cut down commission rates. I won't go into the whole story on that. Basically, it's cut down people's commission who have solely relied on the Amazon affiliate program, 50%, 60, 70%, and even higher. They're seeing a lot of their salary, a lot of their earnings go down. And so they have to pivot. And it's not exactly that you have to switch every single affiliate link now. It's not like you have to go back if you have an existing blog or existing YouTube channel with content out there. You don't have to go and change every single one of them. You also have to do what's best in the consumer's eyes. Do what's best for your audience, right? If there's a product on Amazon, but then you can't find that anywhere else, right? With the individual merchant, the individual retailer, you got to do what's always best for the customer. But you can't change it. Now, one of the many ways, and I'll also be showing you, I'll be going into a share screen here, because I have an actual article that shows you a list of affiliate programs and the alternatives you can go into. So stick with me, I'll show you that. But one of the ways that you can do things now, if you are thinking about an Amazon alternative from what's happened with Amazon, but also because you just want to know what else is out there outside of Amazon, is you can look for the individual company, right? Let's say, for example, I had a product on, let's see, for example, we're doing something with Nike, okay? And then you send people directly to Amazon, right, for that product. But what about Nike's own affiliate program? So instead of, going and sending everybody exactly to Amazon, which nowadays commissions are kind of going lower, think about that individual company. So you can go to Nike instead and find their affiliate program and sign up through them, because they will most likely offer you more than what Amazon will be offering you nowadays. You can do that with any niche too. So that's one alternative to Amazon, and that's actually the complementary or substitutional method that a lot of us are using, that I pivoted into as well. Is I have Amazon, but I also use the individual company. So if I know I can get it through like Nike, if I can get it, there's like a bike company, I can go through like Harley's through their own affiliate or whoever that may be, then you can go ahead and do that. That's a great alternative. And to figure that out is just type in the company's name on Google, name of the company, and then affiliate program. Or you can type in the name of the product, affiliate program, and then go through a list of different ways of figuring that out through the search results. Okay, and if you have questions on that, make sure you leave me a comment so I can help you out with that. So that's one way. So another alternative that you can go into, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into the share screen here so I can go ahead and follow. You can follow along as I'm showing you this. And this article, again, I'll link down below in the description so you can go ahead and check this out. But I have them listed out here for you. Of course, on this one of my list, I had Amazon as one of them, and I still think Amazon is a legitimate solution. Now, stick with me. Why? Because they are popular. They already get the traffic. They're trustworthy. People will go to Amazon a lot of the time. So keep Amazon as one of the ways that you can still profit, but you won't solely rely on them. Okay, you don't always want to fall into one. You want to have many. Okay, so that's a good thing about Amazon, is that they are trustworthy. People go there. I'd go there and shop still. So think about that. Keep that in mind. Number two, we'll say ShareASale. ShareASale is one that I've been using for a while now. And it's a platform that has a lot of different merchants, otherwise known as retailers, right? So I can go and sign up for something like FreshBooks, right? And ShareASale will have that. So the way I was able to figure that out was I went into Google, because I have FreshBooks as one of them for my other business. And so I was looking for a FreshBooks affiliate link, and it directed me into ShareASale. I believe it is still ShareASale. So that's what I was able to do. Typed it in, took me over to ShareASale, and I was able to sign up for them. So here, let me kind of go through this here. So ShareASale here. You can see here, there's a screen here. You can look through a lot of different products. You have the reports, the merchants, links, tools, accounts, payments. Go to merchants, and you start selecting from a whole bunch of different categories. Could type in this example, I typed in back pain relief because that was one of them. And it took me into the Healthy Back Institute. So I can sign up to the Healthy Back Institute through ShareASale. Or, which I already have done, is I can go to the Healthy Back Institute themselves and then sign up through there. Okay, you can do either one of them. Try to cover both if you can. So I'm partnered with them, and that's how I go moving forward. ShareASale is a great network. Right, you shouldn't just sit on Amazon, as I say here, waiting for somebody to buy from you. There are other places you can go to. So always have more places than one. And ShareASale has been in business for nearly 20 plus years, serving you as an affiliate marketing network. Okay, number three is AWIN. So this is a very common, kind of like an OG of it. And it's still very popular. You don't hear it being talked about a lot of the times, solely because it's just something that people kind of miss. But AWIN is one you want to get into. And they have over, I think, about 250,000 publishers and 16,500 advertisers, different companies to work with. So kind of like ShareASale in the sense. So you can select from different companies when you're in there. So you can potentially, go for more than one product, select different networks within AWIN, and really go on to exponentially grow your business that way. Okay, so those are good additions. ShareASale and AWIN are good alternatives to Amazon to pivot into. Number four, I'm going to go into Impact here. Impact is an amazing platform. It's one that was kind of behind the scenes, and it's been growing, and now it's becoming like more of that mainstream. And there's so many different companies you can partner up with that you can't in other ones, like Nike. I listed some in here as well: Adidas, Samsung, iPhone, Walmart, McAfee, Microsoft, Ticketmaster. So Impact is another one that's amazing, and I've used it myself for what I'm doing and what it is I'm trying to accomplish as an affiliate. Number five, Jvzoo. Maybe you've heard of Clickbank already. I'll get to that. So Jvzoo is kind of like a digital platform, digital software, digital information in just about any single niche. And I say here how ShareASale, AWIN, and some of the other ones are kind of like more in the physical realm, while Jvzoo, you have more of that digital information and software as a service, SaaS, affiliate network that will facilitate and automate your online sales, marketing, and delivery. Okay, so Jvzoo is a great one to look at. It's a very popular one, especially in the digital space. And it's one that I would keep my mind open to if you haven't already. Number six, Clickbank. Okay, this is probably one you've already heard of, or maybe just starting out. And Clickbank is known more for their digital information again and software type products in just about every niche imaginable. And if you look at the biggest niches, which are the three: health and wellness or health and fitness, dating and relationships, make money online, finances. Those are the big three ones, and you'll find a lot of great products around those, among everything else: technology, garden, you name it, okay? It's all in there. So I kind of talk about what Clickbank is, what do they have here for you, and you have to look through different criterias, and I'll have videos on Clickbank too. I should list them down below in the description. They should be there, so go ahead and look more into that if you wish. And it will show you how to select products, different systems, even done-for-you systems that are there, which are pretty amazing. Number 7, ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels. This is the one right here that kind of just changed my whole affiliate journey, my whole career with this. I was making good money before that with Amazon and different partnerships, but when I found ClickFunnels, it was just more so me trying to use landing pages for my own content, my own business stuff that I needed. So I went through different ones, and then I ran into ClickFunnels, learned more about their affiliate program, and it's such an amazing place to be because they have a lot of what's called low ticket items, digital low tickets, right? They're more in the digital software type. And ClickFunnels is a landing page creator for sales pages. You're going to be able to create sales funnels. And so they have great products that are low ticket costs, like free plus shipping books, other free material, and then they have more of their mid-tier, back-end, higher priced products. So when you send somebody into a free plus shipping, for example, that person will get tagged onto you when they buy that, and then they can buy another one. They can be upsold by Russell Brunson, who's the owner, and then you can make a commission off of that, and then if another one upsells and then downsells. So your potential to make more money is great, and that's where affiliate marketing will earn you the most in, without having to expend so much of your effort with lower ticket products all the time. It opens the whole world up into mid-tier and then high-ticket affiliate marketing. So unlike Amazon, where you send somebody to a product and they make a purchase, don't get to control the upsells. That owner or Amazon gets to tell them, hey, I recommend you buy this as well. You bought this, here, buy this too. And you cannot control that with other networks, especially with physical products. And then you get paid more higher commissions with digital software because the overhead of expending money on that is far less than a physical product. To fulfill a physical product, it'll cost more. That's why you get less commissions. Digital is the download. You can get it right away, get 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 100% commissions on these kind of programs. Things like you can do that with Clickbank, even Jvzoo, ClickFunnels. You also have things like Warrior Plus, which is another one to go into. Warrior Plus has a lot of different affiliate networks, and I also have a guide on that. I actually have a whole huge blog post. If you want to learn more about Warrior Plus, I'll leave it. That's an additional one to get into. It's kind of like the Jvzoos and the Clickbank alternatives in a way, but we'll click what those don't have. Maybe Warrior Plus will. So that's a great place to go to. And if you've heard of Warrior Forum, it's an internet marketing place for everybody of all levels to come in and talk and get help. And there's products there in affiliate marketplace for them. So that's another one, Warrior Plus. Okay. So that's just pretty much it for now. Those are the popular ones. Another one would be like Commission Junction. Okay. CJ affiliate. It's called CJ now. But Commission Junction is another one to get into. They have advertisers and publishers just the same. And you can choose from different products in here as well. You can expand your brand's reach, partner with the world's best brands in here. And there's just more information in here for you as an affiliate to go and move your needle per se forward, so that way you can flourish in your business much faster and much easier. Okay, without all those headaches. But there's also in this list that I'm going to leave a link to. You can get 60 plus list of recurring and high ticket programs. Okay, so if you want to know these recurring income streams, ClickFunnels being one of them, and the higher ticket products that you can go out there and promote, and you expend the same amount of energy in a sense. It's just the strategies are different. But once you learn these strategies, you just can apply them as repetition and in pattern. But you can earn these commissions monthly, or you can earn a high ticket sale, right? You sell $100 or even $1,000+ product, 50% commissions, right? Think about that. You keep half of that, and you only have to make 1, 2, 3 kind of sales. Depends on the amount of the product and the commission rate, and you're set. So having a mix of low and high ticket is a great thing to do. I recommend that in your journey. And it's always good to focus on a product at a time, depending on also what you're building out. So go ahead, you can go ahead and get into this. I'll leave a link down below. And it also shows you how to get traffic to your offers faster, the different platforms to build, how to get started with a free course. You can grab that as well in here. There's just more information. There's quality information that I have for you. It's my content again. Stuff like how to monetize them, and I have like free courses on this kind of stuff with blogging, SEO, a whole bunch of other things. Even the one blog post away challenge, which is so unique. You haven't seen anything like that yet. I'll leave more to that. But these were kind of like the 7+ affiliate networks that you can get involved with outside of Amazon, and Amazon included, so that you can continue to be highly profitable and be safe knowing that your affiliate networks are in different places. Oh, and then a couple of other ones. I know there's CPA marketing out there. There's things like flex offers, max bounty. There's a whole bunch of those as well. Pepper Jam. Those are also CPA type stuff where people enter their information. You get paid for a lead, or whenever they fill out something and they purchase, you get paid for that. So those are also little alternatives in there. There'll be more information on that, but check out this article if you wish to know more about these individually. And I also have links to my other articles within these. So I have like Amazon type articles. So you can click here and go and check out that post I made about Amazon Associates, Amazon affiliate marketing, along with the other ones like ClickFunnels and Clickbank. I have stuff on that as well to be an affiliate, and all my free resources that you get with that. Okay, so that'll be down below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, I do want to hear from you. Leave me a comment. What do you think? What are your thoughts? If you need help choosing an affiliate program that's right for you, let me know. And yeah, that's everything. So look down below in the description, and I will talk to you soon.